Hello everyone, this is Anna from IXXO. Today I'm going to show you the configurable vendor plans. With IXXO Cart, you can offer different subscription plans for your vendors in your marketplace. If we head over to the vendor registration page, we will see our current subscription groups. Let's create a new vendor plan for our online marketplace. After you've successfully logged into your IXXO admin dashboard, the first thing you will need to do is to navigate to the Subscription Groups and Fees menu. From here you can activate or deactivate the vendor plans. If you deactivate the feature, the system will use the default commissions for all vendors. You can set a fixed fee per item here, and a commission percentage here that will apply for all vendors. If you want to have different vendor plans, scroll down and you'll see the Vendor Group Packages section. Here you can see all your vendor plans. To create a new plan, simply click Add a new vendor group package. In this example, we will create a subscription plan named Gold. If you want to limit the amount of products the vendor can have, you can specify it here. In our example, we will put 0 for unlimited products. Next, we will set a fixed monthly fee. You can also charge vendors a fixed fee or commission for each item. In our plan, we will charge vendors 10% per item. We will also allow the vendors to test this plan for 3 days for free. In the description area, simply enter any information you want to be displayed in the vendor registration page. Click Save Changes to create your new plan and manage vendor groups to see the list with all your plans. Here you can see the Gold subscription package we have just created. Let's now go to our marketplace and refresh the vendor registration page. Users will now be able to register as vendors and select the Gold plan as their subscription package. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.